What? There goes the tree. Floyd, back up.
Oh, just watch the intense footage of a flash flood that swept through the city of Shamlal Garg, leaving devastation in its path. If you found this video amazing, the next part will leave you in disbelief. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Terrible situation. A huge rock slide in Brazil, which narrowly escaped danger near an old railway line, fortunately caused no injuries or damage, but left people amazed by the power of nature. Remember the Luang Phang Expressway collapse in Bangkok? It was a hard lesson in the quality of public infrastructure. Oh my God. The second avalanche of the day was serious. The holidaymakers were in a state of emotional turmoil. An avalanche was heading straight for their camp. The people below were starting to fear that they wouldn't make it out alive. This footage, captured on the 11th of December, 2024-inch Brazil, shows more than 200 millimeters of rain, turning the dam into an unstoppable force of nature. Oh my God.
It's flooding everywhere. It's flooding.
Do not step on fresh lava, no matter how solid it looks, because the surface is extremely dangerous, because underneath is still molten lava, ready to swallow anything. Perhaps this could be called a relaxing hot spring, right? They are made from heavenly ingredients indeed. Please leave me some signs by leaving your opinion in the comments section. I hope their insurance covers these ridiculous cases when the car falls into a hole in the road. I think this guy needs a bigger umbrella. You should think again when buying a house near a cliff, because you will not know what will happen to your lovely house. Think again now. If you feel scared when you... Let's start with us in southern Alaska. This is Spencer Glacier. This place converges a giant ice sheet that extends into a forest and ends at Spencer Lake. Here you can kayak and camp in a recreational area, perhaps a unique place in Alaska. In August, Andrew Hooper and a few friends set out on a canoeing adventure on the peninsula, wanting to see the glacier up close. Even though their wives warned them of impending danger, oh my God, that was terrible. I think the guy just now was freezing and soaking wet from that free shower from the falling ice. Living at the foot of the mountain means becoming an expert at handling familiar situations like this. Oh, maybe they came to celebrate the second birthday of the driver who had just narrowly escaped death when a giant boulder was displacing his truck. Always alert, as these people stopped just in time after hearing a suspicious cracking sound just before the landslide occurred.
Look at that. Stunning.
A massive tornado ripped through Colorado, leaving behind a chaotic scene that left drivers stunned and forced to watch from a perilous distance.
The debris path is still a good.
A message in the Russian town of Topolki, a broken water pipe in Rogozhkino, and the cold and wind created a beautiful ice mountain. This is last night's footage from Forest Falls on the 20th of August, 2023. It shows the power of debris flows. They happen quickly and are unpredictable. Flood heroes rescued a Valencia woman and her dog from rushing water. If you have witnessed or participated in a heartwarming rescue, please share your story.
Wow, ese sí va a romper.
Have you ever seen such a cute animal? Leave number 1 and let me know your opinion. The scene was like a shining golden mountain. Can you feel that overwhelming feeling? I stood still, watching the giant block of ice, larger than New York City, slowly crack and drift away, as if a piece of the Earth's soul had just separated from itself. Are you afraid of these fish? If so, please leave number 1 inch the comments. Keep your mind strong, because otherwise you can be swept away by the storm immediately. I thought I had met Iron Man in real life. Oh my God! Doesn't he look great? If you want to own an impressive photo, try sitting in front of big waves, and be careful because they can knock you down at any time. Oh my God! Too boring with the usual ways. Try this reckless way of skiing right now. The photographer just wanted to take some beautiful photos with many moments of the sea, but it seemed that the waves did not agree with his intention.
I think it'll pick up that sound. Man.
Stop filming. There's so many people here. Yeah.
If you are bored, come to the thrilling moments. Here, the United States conducted a series of 35 nuclear tests, and these special bombs had a destructive power of up to 8 kilotons. I feel worried, imagining how scary modern nuclear weapons will be. They currently have more than 10,000 times more destructive power. A local named Darren Gordon was on vacation and found himself near the tracks where a train similar to the Polar Express was passing. This guy quickly recorded the moment the train rushed through the snow curtain, creating a snow tsunami. Oh my God. I think I should compliment the driver, because if it were me, I wouldn't know where I would go because everything would be white. If you are bored, come with me now to the sacred country of Thailand. A simple thing that not everyone has the patience to overcome. With the naked eye, you can fully feel the destructive power of the ferocious tornado as it swept through a small village in India, taking everything with it in an instant. Oh my God. I won't laugh because this is truly a humorous obsession, while this monkey just wants to send love to the audience. Surely the tourists were warmly welcomed by the sea, with a few big waves. Perhaps they were soaked in this warmth. This is silly, but I have to say, what do you do when you see the king of the jungle walking down the street?
All the cussing is over with, I think.
You try, but it's insignificant. You can't move if you only depend on those two weak trees.
I can't get out! Well,
And shaky. Stay focused here, because your eyes will be blown by his performance against a 2-meter high wave, and it's amazing how well they look together. Could it be that I'm hallucinating? There are some soldiers who ran into this big tornado for no reason at all. Oh no,